Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make money using P2P trading on Binance. A lot of traders make money using P2P, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and try subscribe. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate it if you do. Now let's jump right in. For we to start, we would have to click on the P2P trading icon right there at the bottom of the screen. Now this is your P2P trading platform. Right now I am on the USDT tab. This is USDT compared to Naira. So when you are buying USDT, you buy with Naira, and when you are selling USDT, you sell back to Naira. When you look at the screen, you would see all these traders offering to sell you USDT at different rates. One thing you need to know is that most of these traders are on floating price. What floating price means is that due to the market fluctuation of the Naira USD pair, every single day it's either the Naira drops or the Naira gains compared to dollars. What this means is that the next day you can see the price at 465 or 500. The price could either drop or rise at any time. So we are going to take advantage of this. Since we know that most traders are on floating price, we are going to take good advantage of this and make massive gains on our trades. Before we start, when trying to buy on this P2P trading platform, we would have to take note of some things. First of all, we would have to take note of the rates, that means the price at which we are willing to buy, and also we would have to take note of the trader's credibility. For example, if you look at this crypto guru, you will notice that he has made 190 trades and his percentage credibility is around 98.70%. Now that means that he's a very credible trader and you can trade with this kind of person. And also you need to take note of the limit he is willing to sell. For example, this guy is willing to sell from 260,000 Naira to 266,000 Naira. That means he's willing to sell this worth to you. You understand? Let's say we want to buy from this crypto guru. We want to buy 200,000 Naira worth of USDT for around 483.29 Naira. Now let's go over to the calculator. Now for example, we want to buy 200,000 Naira worth of USDT for about 483.29. It would be 200,000 Naira divided by 483.29. You are going to get exactly 413.83 USDT. That means when you buy 200,000 Naira worth of USDT right now for 483.29, you will get about $413.83. Understand? Now I am going to show you how you can make mad profit from all this. Let's say we've already bought 413.83 USDT from Crypto Guru. Now let's go over to the Binance app. Once you have successfully purchased your USDT from a seller and you want to sell it for profit, you would have to go to the sell tab. Click on the sell tab right there. Now when you click on the sell tab, you would notice that the price of USDT has changed. People are willing to buy your USDT for a higher price. When you wanted to buy, you bought at 483. Now you'll be selling at 525 to another potential buyer. The difference between what you bought and what you are selling at is how you are going to make your profit. It's not every time you are going to have this arbitrage when buying and selling, but on some days, like now that I'm showing you, there is massive difference. And when there is massive difference, there is more profit to be made in P2P trading. You can sell your USDT to this guy, Blue D Services. As you can see, he has made 2,280 trades and his credibility percentage is 98.83. He's willing to buy your USDT for 518.01. And as you can see, when you look at his limit is from 1,000 to 1 million Naira. When you want to sell your USDT, you can either go through this person, which would be a lot safer and better, or if you want to take the risk, you can scroll up. When you scroll up, you see a better offer. Now this guy, Able God, is willing to buy your USDT for around 525.35. If you sell your USDT to this guy, that means you've made a lot of money. You would have to make your choice if you want to sell to a more credible person or not. We are about to sell our USDT to Able God for 525.35. Now let's go to the calculator. Now you're about to sell your 413.83 USDT for 525.35. Now that will be 413.83 times 525.35. When you've successfully sold your USDT for 525.35, you are going to get 217,405. Now this is the exact amount you are going to get when you sell your USDT to a potential buyer on Binance P2P trading. Now your profit will be your selling price minus your buying price. Your profit is around 17,400. Now this is easy profit. Now let's get back to the Binance app. In this video, what I am trying to say is that on Binance you can make money every single time. You just have to be at alert. When you see an opportunity, you take it. You understand? That's how you make money every single time. And on Binance P2P trading, you can make money when you see a profitable trade. There is no fees attached at all, so you don't have any fear of losing anything at all. If you want to learn how to use Binance P2P trading, you can click up there right now, and I will also leave a link in the description of this video where you can watch how you can use Binance P2P trading. This is going to be it for this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and try subscribe. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate it if you do. And also, if you want to watch that video on how to use Binance P2P trading, you can click right there right now, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.